how have ERA helped you in this journey of content creation?
ERA actually helped me with their interactive sales kit. So
Yes.
a lot of things from there, I can get information about the project.
I think our leaders, our project leaders have done all this sales kit
Very good job
to
for
empower
that.
our agents, not just to present to the buyer, but also to help our agents in today's world to create content. Anything else?
Yeah, I think very important is the UCS.
UCS?
Yes.
Every day we're having a lot of consumer empowerment because in ERA, we also are one of the market leader agency. So we believe in empowering our consumers on the ground with the knowledge so that they can make the right decision with our agents. I'm sure some of your content come from the slides. Hi everyone. So this episode of In-Convo, I've got Clay here.
Hi. Hi, Kevin.
How are you, Clay?
Very excited to be here.
So Clay, I realized you joined ERA in 2019. And then you left, and then you joined us back in 2023.
Yes.
Maybe can you share a little bit of this in and out?
Previously, when I was in area, I wanted to learn more things, more towards project sales.
Projects?
Yeah, because previously I do more on rental, but because I like to meet new clients fresh from the start.
Okay.
So I feel that I can connect with people very easily.
Okay.
So I thought about it and I wanted to move into project sales.
And then you left.
Correct.
And then after that, now you decided to come back. I just want you to share with me, like, you know, maybe from that year that you left and then when you came back now, what attracted you to come back and join us again?
I met my manager, Jared Sim.
Jared Sim?
Yes,
okay.
correct. So he's a titanium tagger.
Jared's a titanium tagger.
Yes.
Wow. So it's your dream also to be a titanium tagger.
Correct.
Must do better than him lah.
I hope so.
Rhodium tagger.
Rhodium. That one challenge, but I like that challenge.
Okay, so there's a saying, you know, you join someone who you want to become.
Yes.
So Jared is a titanium tagger.
Correct.
And it's not easy to achieve that status. What is the secret, or maybe one or two or three secrets that Jared has taught you, share with you? Maybe you can share with us.
What he taught me the most that get into my head is the CMA, which is the surrounding analysis of the development.
Okay, so as
and
a
the market.
tagger,
Yeah.
your job is also important to help the non-core to do price analysis of the project and also the project analysis.
And the surrounding of it.
And the surrounding.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, so what else did Jared teach you?
Jared teach me to be 厚脸皮 also, to be thick skin because
Really?
to be a tagger, we need to.
So you got to reach
really
out lah.
Yes.
You got to reach
I
out to
think-
non-core, get their attention, get them to notice you, and eventually trust you, and then they will use you, right? And
Yes,
that's how
correct.
you become a titanium tagger, right?
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
So how's your whole MP journey so far?
So I started doing videos. Previously, I never do any at all.
Yes,
so,
yes. Now I realize you are quite Wang Hong. Maybe you can share with us a little bit about this part.
So for me to get into this, actually starting I was very camera shy. At first, I tried to do video without my head.
Without your head?
Yeah, so it's like, you know, because I'm camera shy, so when I look at into the camera, I might look not confident.
Okay, have you started on content that really shares information, analyzing the project?
So with one of my colleague, Clement, so is my crazy partner lah. So
your partner.
I always find that if you want to do something crazy, you need to find someone that is close to you also crazy. Right?
So Clay, maybe you can share with us how have ERA helped you in this journey of content creation, especially for projects?
So ERA actually helped me with their interactive sales kit. So a lot of things from there, I can get information about the project.
I think our leaders, our project leaders, really have to give our fullest support to them and also give them the biggest thanks because they have done all this sales kit
Very good job
to empower our agents, not just to present to the buyer, but also to help our agents in today's world to create content. Anything else?
Yeah, I think very important is the UCS.
UCS?
Yes.
Every day we're having a lot of consumer empowerment because in ERA, we also are one of the market leader agency. So we believe in empowering our consumers on the ground with the knowledge so that they can make the right decision with our agents.
Yes,
right. So I think, you know, I'm sure some of your content come from the slides.
Yes.
So you can use it to craft out your content and reshare it on your own channel. We believe in empowering our agents, giving them values that they can then do their work. You know, it's more seamless.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Month of June, top 100 in the entire company. You know, maybe you want to share with us the deals that you closed in this month of June?
The deal that I closed was my own project, Bloomsbury Residences.
Your own project?
Yes.
Wow, if
Wow.
for someone to say his own project, you take a lot of pride in it. Any other things you like to share with the audience before you go?
I would like to thank Jared for bringing me back into ERA. And appreciate Eugene Ko and Alicia Young division, because whenever I have any question, any doubts, I can straight away meet
Well,
them
I'll
and
say
ask
that
them.
I'm always seeing Alicia and Eugene on the ground. You know, as Eugene is our EDA,
Yeah.
so they're always on the ground in the project showroom. I think if anyone wants to do project, you know, joining them will be a very wise choice because they're on the ground.
Yeah.
So for us leaders, we have to be on the ground.
Yes,
right?
that's very good of it.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you very
Okay,
much.
thank you.
谢谢。